comes to the June 24th, a day where the Supreme Court of the United States, the judges voted to overturn Roe v. Wade, which gave women the constitutional right to get an abortion in the United States and not have to only qualify for abortion given if the state they live in or the situation that they may be in, whether it's for health reasons or not. Well, this was overturned, and it has prompted a lot of protests throughout the country, as you can see those images. And now what the House is planning on doing is to vote on a bill to protect access to abortion. This is Roe v. Wade came about 50 years ago, which gave women this constitutional right. Now, since it's been overturned, it's been realized that the federal government doesn't actually have laws in place to protect women's right to get an abortion, regardless of where they live. And this is something that the House is going to be voting on a bill today. We're going to bring you the updates on that in terms of what it means to create protection for women. And there was a case that I talked about yesterday, but this case happened and it's been, top of mind. It happened earlier this month. It was a 10-year-old girl who was raped in the state of Ohio. And as a result, she became pregnant. Well, in Ohio, you cannot get an abortion since the overturn of Roe v. Wade. And this 10-year-old child, had to travel to a neighboring state, Indiana, to get an abortion. And now the man, as of yesterday, has been charged, who has sexually assaulted this 10-year-old child. But that also goes to show that what would happen in those situations where prior to Roe v. Wade, that gave women the constitutional right to abortion, women were still getting an abortion. It was just through illegal means. It was through back alleyways. It was through underground abortion clinics. It was through coat hanger procedures, throwing themselves down the staircase, taking poison, which resulted in women being harmed with their sexual health, reproduction system, and of course to their health. And hundreds of women died every year. So banning abortion doesn't necessarily mean that abortion will not take place. And this is what you're seeing when it comes to abortion and protesters for abortion rights.